Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Mobile Legends is fully updated. Outdated clients often hide new UI toggles. Once done, open the game and tap the settings gear in the lobby. That's where options live. You then go to Basic and select Interface. This is where the outline control appears. Tap the outline toggle to enable it. You do this now because enabling early prevents needing a restart mid-match and ensures the setting is applied across modes. Once the outline toggle is on, you now configure how it looks and who it affects. Pick a color and opacity that stands out against maps. Bright colors and higher opacity improve visibility. You then choose targets. Enemies only, allies only, or both. Select what helps your situational awareness. Finally, adjust thickness so the outline is visible without hiding important HUD elements. These tweaks let the outline serve as a precise visual cue rather than noisy distraction. Finish by testing the new outline in practice mode. You'll see how it behaves during abilities and teamfights and can tweak settings accordingly. If the outline doesn't appear, clear the game cache and restart the app. If that fails, reinstall or update drivers on Android devices. Make sure your current game version actually includes the feature and that graphics settings aren't forcibly reduced. One key tip: if outlines vanish intermittently, verify you're not in an older mode or skin that disables outline render.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.